YPG International was initially formed for the defence of the people of Rojava against the gangs of Daesh. People have come from all over the world in the true spirit of internationalism to answer the huge violations committed against human dignity by these gangs. We fought against ISIS, al-Nusra and Hajj al-Sham amongst others, and we have succeeded in defeating Daesh. This was done not only for the people of Rojava, but for all of humanity. Many of the defeated jihadists fled to and received sanctuary in neighbouring Turkey. They have now reappeared as Turkish proxies in the form of the Free Syrian Army and have invaded the Confederation of Northeastern Syria. And so we, YPG International, will continue the fight against this evil, even though it cost us our lives, in remembrance of all our comrades that have fallen before us, and in defence of all that has been achieved here.
My name is Haval Zafar Ronen. I'm from America, Kansas. I'm 31 years old. I've been in Rojava now for 2 years.